There's been many great truly wireless earphones to be released in 2021. We have of course had the Sony WXM4s, Master and Dynamic have also just updated their range, and then of course we have the Galaxy Buds 2 dropping later this month. And with all these big brand names out there, it's so easy to let the little guys fly under the radar. But these are a pair of truly wireless earphones that I couldn't let slip. These are the truly unique Mifo O5 Gen 2 truly wireless earphones, which come with a hidden feature. Stay tuned and let's take a closer look. What is up guys, welcome back to Tech It Easy. So the Mifo O5 they look absolutely stunning and more importantly, they feel incredible. Really been looking forward to showing these off. Before we do that though, if you could quickly leave a cheeky like, subscribe to the channel and check out the Discord server, that would be awesome. Also do check out our brand new channel, TZ's Top 5, there will be a link down below. So let's jump straight into the unboxing. Spoiler alert, the unboxing experience is just as cool as the product. Once you remove the sleeve, you get this really hardy neon green box, which just flips open. Gotta say, it really did make these feel like something special. Of course, bang in the middle there, we have the Mifo O5 earphones. As I said at the start, absolutely stunning, really nice metallic finish, and it feels very weighty, but there is a separate reason for that which we will get onto later. Putting the earphones to one side for a second, we have all your manuals in the lid, as well as a USB-C cable in neon green, and then we have a USB-A to C adapter. Very generous of them to actually include this in the box. Now that's basically as far as the unboxing experience goes, so let's move on and talk about the very special design of the Mifo O5 Gen 2s. Machined aluminium finish all around, feels really premium and not like anything I've tried out before. Opening the case up, I was a little bit disheartened to realise I've got a floppy. I really struggled to get it to stay up, so the hinge could do with some more work. I prefer it when they do stay open on their own. I do find it snaps down a lot when I'm trying to get the earphones out. Very minor comment though, and I can sort of see why they did it because the lid does just sit really nice and flush on top of the case. And it does actually have a magnetic latch if you're into that. So although things are a bit loose and floppy down there, it's not going to come undone on its own. Now we will move on to the earphones themselves later on in the video, but one feature this case does have is not only will it charge your earphones for up to 150 hours of playback time, yes you heard that correct, but the case actually acts as a power bank for your phone. This is serious stuff because it could dramatically decrease the amount of things you need in your backpack. Power bricks can be pretty big, having everything in one place certainly appeals to me. This sort of product is game changing, the use cases for this are just brilliant. Now finally for the earphones themselves, they have changed from the last version a bit. They've now got a plastic finish as opposed to a metallic finish, but I don't mind that because I'm assuming the reason they've done that is to bring down the weight and it could possibly make it more comfortable, and comfortable they are. Usually with these sorts of earbuds they are very bulky, but the Mifo O5 Gen 2s are pretty sleek and small for this sort of earphone. They fit perfectly into my ears, don't feel uncomfortable in the slightest, and they feel very secure. You also have a blue and red indicator on the earbuds to easily work out your left and right. I have to say, much like the case, despite being plastic, they look and feel so premium. These earphones are currently going for £110 in the UK, and you can get 10% off using the link down below. I have to say, being at this price point, I'm quite surprised because they do actually feel more expensive. It's very refreshing to see some sensibly priced earphones. Right then, most important test, how do the Mifo O5 Gen 2s do when it comes to sound quality? Worth starting off by saying that the Mifo O5 Gen 2s do not have active noise cancelling, which is a shame, but what they do have is really good noise isolation. Comparing these to the One More Comfo Buds Pro I tested not too long ago, walking down the road there wasn't actually that much of a dramatic difference between the two, and the One More Comfo Buds Pro have excellent noise cancelling capabilities. But I have to admit, I still would have liked to have seen this feature on the Mifo O5s because really it would have gone a long way to making these a perfect pair of earphones. That of course depends how this next part goes. I'm somewhat stuck in the middle with these. The sound quality hasn't blown me away, but it hasn't particularly disappointed me either. It's sort of just in the middle. I think I got so hyped up about the design and the feel of the Mifo O5 Gen 2s that I was expecting something to sort of match that. But the sound quality is fine, it just doesn't compete against flagship earphones, which I wouldn't expect it to, but it's also not really standing out to me compared to other earphones at this price point. So the verdict on the sound, bass is just enough. I think there's a lack of clarity when it comes to vocals. Things start to feel a little bit caught up in the bass, but I suppose I'm nitpicking here. I like them, I like the sound, but there is room for improvement here. Now, moving on, let's finish off by talking about the features. So we of course have that really nice metallic finish case I spoke about earlier, which does double as a power bank for your phone, or provides up to 150 hours of playback time. From a single charge, you're looking at 10 hours playback time. From testing, I think it's going to be closer to 8 hours, but that's still worlds ahead of most truly wireless earphones on the market at the moment. Waterproofing is also a thing on these earphones. You're going to get IP67 waterproofing and dustproofing on these, so getting caught in the rain or sweating out in the gym is no issue. You also have the latest Bluetooth 5.2 technology for a more reliable connection to your device. Touch keys for controlling volume and skipping tracks is also a thing, although I will say I never seem to get them to do exactly what I want them to do, but I have that issue with all earphones. I'm not really a fan of touch controls. They're always a bit fiddly and they actually end up annoying me in the end. But if you want the feature is there. Lastly, we have dual or mono mode, meaning that you can use one earbud on its own if you want to. There is also dual mic noise cancelling for better call quality and for bringing in ambient sound if you choose that setting. And whilst we talk about that, I'm just going to do a quick microphone test so you can see what I'm talking about.
This is the microphone test for the Mifo O5 Gen 2s. Quick reminder, Tech It Easy now has channel memberships. If you want to become a top supporter of the channel, you can now do just that. I've actually set the lowest band at just $2.99, so it should be super affordable for everyone. What you get when you sign up depends on which tier you go for, but you will get an exclusive badge depending on how long you've been a member for at the side of your name, so you'll be easily recognizable in the comment section.
So my final verdict on the Mifo O5 Gen 2s, they're absolutely incredible. I've really loved them. The sound test did bring down my opinion ever so slightly, but I will stress again, they are not bad by any means. But there is better out there if sound quality is at the utmost importance to you. As I've mentioned several times, the design and build quality of these earphones has absolutely blown me away. If I had a reward, I would probably give it to these earphones. They really have stood out amongst the crowd, and I really do appreciate that power bank feature. I think it's really intuitive and very clever. Let me know down in the comment section what you think of the Mifo O5 Gen 2s. Are they a pair of truly wireless earphones that you would add to your collection? Or is the sound quality going to be an issue for you? Just before we finish up, if you did find yourself enjoying the video, please do leave a like, subscribe to the channel and check out the Discord server. For now though, I've been Alex, thank you so much for watching and remember, take it easy.